Use to 6mm hex keys to cooperate in removing the through axle screw. Pull out the through axle and remove the front wheel. Avoid bumping the disc brake rotor to prevent deformation. Unscrew the valve cap. Deflate the inner tube. Lubricate both sides of the tire with soapy water. Use a tire lever to pry open a gap beside the valve. Then use another tire lever to pry out the tire. Remove the inner tube. Separate the tires from the wheel hubs. Inflate the inner tube until it slightly bulges. Insert the inner tube into the tire. Lubricate both sides of the tire with soapy water. The arrow on the tire is not on the same side as the disc brake rotor. Pass the valve through the wheel hub. First, fully insert the side of the tire without the disc brake rotor into the wheel hub. Then use a tire lever to fully insert the other side into the wheel hub. Confirm that both sides are fully inserted. Inflate the tire pressure to 45 psi. Screw on the valve cap. Wipe the surface clean. Install the front wheels. Insert the through axle from the disc brake side. Use to 6mm hex keys to cooperate in tightening the screws.